Okay, so everyone is talking about AI, but today I'm gonna show you how you can use AI to take your automations to the next level. So let's get started. So before we start getting into how we can combine automation with AI, I just like to separate the AI technology in two different groups. The first group is the AI that can generate information, that can create information for you, which is, I would say, the first wave and the wave that it's everyone using today, everyone is talking about today. Okay, so you give it a prompt and then the AI will generate an information based on the prompt that you gave to the AI. The second group is the AI that can analyze the data. So you give a lot of data to the AI, and the AI will give you outputs, will give you insights. And I'm going to show you a chart that summarizes all of that in just a second. So everyone, again, is using AI mostly on the first case to create information. When we combine AI with automation, we need to have in mind that AI can only make the automation more powerful. I don't believe in using AI for the sake of using AI. I believe in using AI to make other processes more powerful in a broader way. So when you automate a process, when you add AI to the whole process, you can take that process further away. So you can take that process to the next level. So of course that there are some processes that you can't automate the entire thing. You can automate from start to end. But with AI, you can take maybe one step further on that process, on that automation, right? So that's why I believe combining automation with AI, it's really powerful, right? Because you're taking your automation, you're taking your system to the next level. On the second group, as I mentioned, this is where I believe it's going to be way more powerful than what we are doing today. So there are a lot of automations that I built for our clients, as I'm going to show you, that I extract a lot of data, I extract a lot of information to add to a dashboard, for example, or to transfer to other systems. But with AI, what we can do is that instead of just moving that data to another system, instead of just moving that data and adding to a report, you can use AI to analyze the data. You can use AI to give you insights and outputs based on that data. And again, that's where I see AI taking a step forward with your automation. So because the way that we are building automations today, in using that example that I just mentioned to you, we are extracting data and give it to someone else to analyze it and to act on it, right? When you use AI to give you insights based on that data, you are eliminating one more step for that person. So that person can already have the insights ready for them. So then the person can only think about the next steps or the actions that he or she needs to take based on the insights. So that's how I see AI making automations more powerful. That's how I see how you can take your automations to the next level using AI. I'm going to show you today a nice chart summary of those two groups that I just explained to you. So this is a nice chart that summarizes everything that I was explaining to you around the two ways of building with AI. So this is a very nice summary created by Hurwitz, the Hurwitz company. So again, on the first wave, and that's the wave that we are seeing right now with ChatGPT and all of that technology. We give the AI a prompt, and of course that AI will generate more information for us. So for example, creating scripts, creating formulas, creating code. So that's the first wave, and that's the wave that most of the people are looking at today. The second wave is the wave that's going to analyze the data, and in my opinion, that's the most powerful wave that you can use AI, especially in any automation that you are building. Okay, so on the second wave, you give the AI a lot of information, a lot of data, and the AI will analyze the data and give you insights and give you great outputs based on that data. And again, this is where I am looking at to build more automations. because there are a lot of automations that I built for my clients that I have to extract a lot of data from different places using scripts, for example. And then with this approach, not only I'm extracting the data, but I'm also analyzing the data. I'm also generating insights out of that data. And that's really powerful. And I'm just gonna show you an example of the first wave. So the first automations that I'm building with AI for some of my clients, I'm doing that using the first wave first, of course. So this is just one example of an automation that I built for one Dutch agency that I work with. So they wanted to create ad scripts for their clients based on the benchmarks of like other ads that they're seeing on the internet. So what I'm doing here, I'm scraping those ads. So I'm downloading those ads. I'm getting the script out of those videos, and then I'm translating that into Dutch. And then of course I'm running the ChatGPT prompt here to create a similar script for using the one that I'm just scraping, but for that given brand. So I'm also giving more information about the brand, so the ChatGPT can create the prompt. So this is a great example of how you can use AI to make your automation more powerful, right? So without AI, this automation would definitely help a lot my clients to streamline the whole process, to get the script, to translate the script, and to summarize everything. But I'm taking this one step further, right? So I'm taking this one step further in order to actually create this script. So that's how AI can make the automation more powerful. But as I was saying, now what I'm doing is creating automations using the second wave of AI. So using AI to really analyze the data. And again, as I mentioned at the beginning, the goal of AI in the whole automation process is to make the automation more powerful, to take the automation to the next level. So I'm not using AI just for the sake of using AI. I'm using AI in a context, in an entire process, to make the automation more powerful.